It's now become a hurricane here, moving to the west at 13 miles per hour, so at least it is moving, but it is closing in fast here. A little bit of dry air got in train in here, but then a nice little burst of convection right near the center and pop. Became a Category 1 hurricane, 75 mile per hour winds. It doesn't change much because it was 70 before, so 5 mile per hour, not a huge difference. It's still going to have very similar impacts here as we go through tonight and tomorrow. Main landfall will be in the overnight hours, probably around 1 a.m., 2 a.m. or so. We'll see that make landfall somewhere in, say, for anywhere from Martin County, St. Lucie County, and even up to Brevard here. But the main center, the model's coming in closer agreement here that it will impact the Treasure Coast. Of course, to the north of the storm will be the worst storm surge and the heaviest winds, but south of the storm is not going to be any joke either. We're going to have some heavy winds and some squally weather there too. Spaghetti models coming into a lot better agreement now that we're at the final few hours here before landfall, and then most likely coming up, probably won't make it out into the Gulf of Mexico, but ride up the state. And then after that, it's not going to stick around. It's going to quickly kick on out. Have that hurricane warning up for pretty much all of our counties except for Okeechobee County, where you have a tropical storm warning. Storm surge, this will be, we've been saying this will be a big time coastal event. 3 to 6 foot storm surge above ground here. All that water is going to pile on in. On top of that, you have 30-foot seas offshore. That's all going to pile on in. On top of that, we have strong winds, onshore winds coming on in, plus the lunar high tides, the extra high tides. We're going to see that kick it up another notch. We had the full moon the other day, but it still stays pretty high for at least a few days before they come down. 2 to 4 from, say, West Palm southward there for the storm surge. So we've already seen some areas like Lantana, any kind of increase in water level, and it gets flooded down there. We've definitely seen that even down into the Key Limehouse down there too. So here's a storm moving through Grand Bahama right now, just about into the western edge there, the center of Grand Bahama, moving toward the west end. It'll pretty much go right over West End, Grand Bahama. This line here, this is the first really nasty line that's hitting the coast right now, and it's pretty much impacting the entire area from Sebastian through Vero, Fort Pierce, all the way down to Boca right now, and this will spiral in and pretty much clip everybody. Then the next one will come on in, and this one will be even stronger than the last one. And as it gets closer, we're going to continue with those bands moving on in and getting progressively stronger here. Here's South County, windy, very windy out there. Already have wind gusts, Lake Worth Beach Pier into the mid 40s to near 50. So this probably kicked it up a notch. In the Delray Beach and Boca, not much past the turnpike right now, but again, this will continue to move westward here with time. Right up and down I-95 through Martin County from Stewart through Hobe Sound and Bridge Road there and into Jupiter Farms, and then farther up here near Jensen Beach, you just had that squall move through, and Vero too, looking at that heavy rain at the moment. Here's a live Viper radar too. Look at all that. Any one of these embedded in here could see some really gusty winds too. For more on the impacts, let's go over to meteorologist Kate Wenzel. Kate, what are you seeing?
Yeah, thanks, James. So as you were mentioning, you showed the stronger rain offshore, and you said that's headed our way. Well, Vipercast, this is 9 p.m. Now, again, guidance, not gospel, but this gives us a good idea of when those stronger rain bands come in. It is going to be serious. You do not want to be outside. You do not want to be on the roads. You want to be safely in your safe spot for the night, because conditions are going to continue to rapidly deteriorate over the next 6 hours or so. So let's go ahead and put this into motion, and you can see that it's going to continue to spiral. There's the eye, so the front wall has made landfall, but still the eye behind at 12:30 this morning. Then the back edge of the eye wall. This is 3:30 this morning. So that's what Steve Weigel was talking about, that this is not going to be over anytime soon. This is what we're dealing with, and we're going to be with you through it every minute, every every hour. Okay, let's advance this now, and you can see heavy rain bands. This is Thursday, 6 a.m., so this might affect some of you who are wondering, can I get up and go to work in the morning? Well, depending on how early you go to work, if work's even open, this is what we're dealing with 6 in the morning. It's still going to be very, very dangerous to be on the roadways. This is Thursday, 8 a.m. You can see lighter rain, still gusty winds, and we'll take you to Thursday, 11. Still seeing some strong rain bands, and the rain continues through Thursday. So Thursday is our transition day, but there's still going to be dangerous weather. It's really not until Friday that we really break the grip of the general circulation of Nicole. So we do have some time to get through before we're all said and done. I want to show you this severe weather outlook, and we are going to be watching these rain bands for weak isolated tornadoes. Sometimes that happens. That happened with Ian. Even though Ian was on the other side, we got an outer rain band that did include an isolated tornado. So we're watching for severe weather. Want to leave you with this. The wind field, this is where the strongest winds likely to be, but this wind field, the tropical storm force winds, extend out more than 450 miles per hour.